Want to master the art of building efficient data pipelines? In this video, I will show you how to use Databricks to extract, transform, and load data like a pro, all in just a few simple steps. Whether you are just starting out or brushing up on your skills, this guide is for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Data Guy, your go-to channel for mastering data engineering tools and concepts. If you're new here, I am Vishal and I create videos to help you build a strong foundation in data engineering. Today, we are building a basic data pipeline in Databricks Community Edition. Now, by the end of this video, you will know how to extract data into Databricks, transform it using Spark, and load it into storage. This skill is foundational for every data engineer, so make sure to watch till the end. Now, before we dive into the hands-on demo, let's quickly talk about what a data pipeline is. A data pipeline is like a factory assembly line. Now, extract means you bring in raw materials. Now, in this case, raw data from sources like databases or files. Transform means you process and refine the data. Think of filtering, joining, or aggregating. And load, finally, you deliver the processed data to a storage system or data warehouse. Now, these pipelines are the backbone of modern data engineering, helping companies process and make sense of their data efficiently. Now, why are we using Databricks for this demo? Databricks is built on Apache Spark, which processes massive data sets in parallel, saving you tons of time. It supports multiple languages like Python, SQL, and Scala. So you can use the one you are most comfortable with. It offers an intuitive notebook interface, making it perfect for collaboration and experimentation. Now, if you are not already using Databricks Community Edition, check out my previous video where I show you how to set it up. Now, once you're logged in, we will get started. Now that we are logged in, let's start by extracting data into Databricks. First, we will go to Compute tab and create a cluster. Now here, as you can see, I already have one cluster running. You can just click on Create Compute tab and create a cluster, or you can just check out my previous video where I have explained the basic dashboard of Databricks, including how to create a cluster. Now after creating cluster, we will need some data to extract. Now to upload a file, go to Catalog, DBFS, and click on Upload. Here you can set the target directory, or you can just upload the files here. If you click here, you have the option to select files. Click on Done. Since I already have one file here, as you can see, sample data.csv, I will share the CSV file in the description. Now let's copy its path. Click here, click on copy path, and since we are using Spark, so copy the Spark API format path. Close it. Now let's read this file using Spark. For this, we will create a notebook here. Now click on New. You can create a notebook here. Now let's rename it, call it ETL notebook. Okay, so one. Now we will read the data. For that, we will create a data frame. Let's call it df is equal to .csv, paste the path, order true. Now this code loads the CSV into a Spark data frame. The header true option ensures that column names are recognized, and this infer schema detects the data types automatically. Now let's look at the raw data. It contains columns like name, age, and city. As you can see, it will run. Here you can see it contains columns like name, age, and city. Now next, let's transform the data. For this example, we will filter out users under the age of 18 and add a column to indicate whether the user is an adult. Let's add a new cell here. Now we'll call it df transformed df dot filter df of age greater than 18. Okay, df transform is equal to column. We'll create a here new column called adult and df of age greater than 18. Now we will show this df transform data frame. Now with this transformation, we have filtered out rows where the age is less than or equal to 18. Now we have added a new column, adult, which indicates whether the user is an adult or not, true or false. Now finally, let's save the transform data. We will write it as a Parquet file, which is efficient for storage and querying. Now let's add a new cell. Here we will take this transform data frame. Here we'll go to catalog, dbfs, and copy this file stores path. We'll copy Spark API format. From here we'll paste it and we'll call it transformed data. We'll hit run. Now this command writes the data into the Databricks file store. You can access the file directly by going here, or you can download it for use in other tools. Now that, let's check here, go to dbfs. Yeah, here you can see the directory is created, and inside this we have our Parquet file. Now let's quickly recap what we did today. We extracted data from a CSV file into a Spark data frame. We transformed it by filtering users and adding a new column. We loaded the process data into storage as a Parquet file. Now this simple yet powerful process is the foundation of data engineering workflows. Wasn't that fun? Now it's your turn. Try building a similar pipeline with your own dataset and let me know how it goes in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Data Guy for more beginner friendly data engineering content, and share this video with someone who's just starting out. Have questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, happy coding.